Hey there YouTube, what I've got here for today is 2000 Volkswagen Bora, and this is going to be full in-depth tour of the Bora. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of interesting features inside and out. And so, here's the key, alarm. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. Also known as the Jetta. Very wide opening doors. It's almost like 90-degree. Dark interior. Seats are very comfortable and supportive. Brand new floor mats. Beautiful. Aftermarket carbon fiber trim right here. This car has a 5-speed manual, 1.6 liter engine. It produces 102 horsepower. Fires right up. And this particular has 383,669 kilometers in it. 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. Horn doesn't work. Manual telescopic. To adjust, use this lever right here, and you can find perfect position. Right down, so in the headlight, high beam. This is for the fog light, but this car doesn't have fog light. It's all hazard lights as usual. And front windows are fully automatic in both directions, up and down. But now let's open the hood and take a look at the engine. Beautiful body lines, in my opinion. As you can see, back windows are fully tinted. 15-inch wheels with wheel covers, tires measuring 185/65 with full disc brakes, Yokohama tires, mud flaps. Indicators and fenders. Halogen headlamps, and headlight washer system is broken. This car has inline 4, 8-valve, 1.6 liter naturally aspirated engine. It produces 101 horsepower. Maximum speed of 190 km per hour. 0 to 60 time is 11.5 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 8 liter per 100 km. The car is front-wheel drive. like most in this car is Monsoon audio, because the Monsoon audio is an incredible sound system, and of course true VW quality. License plate lights, dual exhaust, and also Bora has 1.8 liter turbocharged engine, 1.9 liter turbo diesel engine, 2 liter and 2.8 6-cylinder supercharged. It's around 200 horsepower. I think 200 horsepower is more than enough for this car. That's for sure. Gorgeous body line. And right now, guys, we'll take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion. Power mirrors, they also heated. In, out, that's right. Central lock, child lock, power windows, soft armrest, illumination, storage, speaker, and speaker right here. The driver's seat has manual adjustment, seat high, recline, and sliding, adjustable headrest and seat belt. And sadly, this car doesn't have lumbar support. Brightness adjustment cluster and hide the headlights. Right now, let's see what kind of noise this car produces. Well, not bad at all. Washer fluid, light indicator controls, and fusion intimate wiper control. Build quality and all the materials are very nice. Excellent soft touch. True VW quality. Rear defrost, headlights, 5-stage heated seat for the driver, and of course for the passenger. Don't expect to find cooled seat in this car. Cup holders. Also aftermarket carbon fiber trim right here on the center console. Storage also added. And this car has aftermarket Pioneer audio system with CD. But actually I prefer Monsoon audio. Rear defrost, recycle, fan speed control, climatronic system, different modes, of course your temperature, economy mode and automatic. Fan speed, temperature, different modes, and you can adjust your temperature. Very easy to use actually. Light and ashtray, or you can use this outlet if you don't smoke. 5-speed manual. guess you can say short shifter, or direct shift, and reverse. Very solid feel. E-brake, fuel cap release, storage. Sadly there is no armrest or something like that. Anti-mirrors with illumination. Handle. Map lights. This car has 4 airbags. I'm 6'3" myself. This seat's quite nice. Very roomy, and thigh support is more than enough. Good visibility. Fixed steering wheel. It's almost like BMW. I love this car. Incredible build quality. Right now, let's shut it down. And the engine is so smooth. Let's grab the key and enter this door. Power windows. Back seat easy to fold, also walkable. Adjustable headrest. Quite easy to get in and out. And once again, I'm 6'3" myself. My legroom and my headroom is actually pretty good. Storage pocket. Central tunnel. Huge armrest. It's also padded. Beautiful. Rear sunshade. Coat hook. Illumination. Trunk is huge. Emergency triangle. Storage. I believe first hay kit, located right here. Down here on your spare tire, toolkit and jack. Another storage compartment. 12-volt outlet. Fuel cap for your tire pressure. And you can find same manual adjustment for the passenger seat except seat height. Lockable glove compartment. Reverse size, rear view mirror. It's also padded. Manuals, booklets. Very simple and reliable, beautiful German sedan. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2000 Volkswagen Bora. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. You should catch me next time with plenty more came from. Thanks for watching and take care guys.